Do you know that your corrupt Outlook file can be repaired? Whether it is a PST file or any other file that has to do with Outlook, it can be repaired with the help of a tool named Stellar Repair for Outlook. In this video, I'm going to walk you through on how you can repair that file, okay? Then your Outlook file that you think cannot be repaired and has a lot of important information inside. Before we dive into the practical aspect of this, I would like you to know more information about this program. Okay, so let's get to our web browser. Okay, let's talk about the information about the product. It's a Outlook PST repair tool for to retrieve emails. All right, I'll have this link in the description. Okay, so you can see corrupt PST files can lead to severe data loss and operational disruptions, which is true. When you lose your emails, you lose your data in the emails, it becomes a problem. You can even lose some businesses. Okay, and that is what we want to do here. Let us help you repair. Okay, so look at the points highlighted here. It says repair and restore corrupt or damaged PST files. 2. Retrieve vital mailbox items, emails, attachments, contacts, and calendar. We have to repair and export mailbox to Office 365 /M365 with the technical edition. All right, this tells you there are different editions of this program. Okay, then we have support MS Office 365 2021, 2029, 2016, and earlier versions. All right, if you are using the updated version, it still supports it. So this tool covers a lot. All right, we can go ahead and install the program, but before then I want to take you to another page whereby you see more information about this, and that is the user guide. So I'll click here and you can still see about Stellar Repair for Outlook. It still says almost the same thing we saw here. All these two links are going to be added in the description of this video. So we have key features here: supported output formats. It says repair and save files in PST, MSG, EML, RTF, HTML, and PDF formats. So if you have maybe some items that were deleted which are in any of these formats, it can still repair it, and you have your files back, you have your emails back, you have your attachments back. Right? And encrypted files support repair of encrypted Outlook data files. So take your time and go through all these things to understand how it works and what it can do for you. So let's get back to this page. There are a few things I would like us to highlight here on this page before we go on and install the program. For you to see what I want to say, you just scroll on this page. When you keep scrolling, you will see the option of pricing or the other options here. At the initial stage, once you're on this page, you will not see it, but when you scroll, you can see the pricing and other menu items here. So click on pricing. Okay, so when you get to pricing, you know that there are different prices for any one you want to go into. It's a repair PST with 100% precision and recover all mail inbox items. All right, this one is the one they call professional edition. It costs just $79, and look at the benefits you get. All right, then you have the technical version. It's a repair, split, and compact PST file, export PST to Office 365, and this one costs $149. Okay, and there is a bestseller toolkit option, okay, edition, which costs $199. So let's scroll up to go and install this. So I'll click on free download. Okay, it has done. It's done downloading. It's about 15.5 megabytes. I'll click on it. So a notification will show up on your screen asking you, do you want to allow this app to make changes to this device? Okay, you can see the name here, Stellar Repair for Outlook. Click on yes. Then it shows you the language, which is English in this case. I'm okay with that. I'll click on OK. So then I'll click on next. Then check this box, accept the agreement. All right, please, this is what you need to check. It's checked by default. Okay, so I'll click on next. Then look at where it will be saved, the location it will be saved on your PC. Just click on next. Okay, click on next here. Then it says create a desktop shortcut. Okay, I'm using Windows 11 PC. What this means is that once the installation is done, you will see the shortcut, the icon of the program will show on my PC. So I'll click on next. Then click on install. So give it time for it to finish its installation and click on finish again. So it said, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your PC? That means it wants to start now. I'll tap on yes. Here we are shown this interface. It wants us to start the repair, and you have the option of list profiles, choosing automatically. What it means is that you want it to dictate any file that is Outlook oriented, that is in Outlook format, and then maybe from there you start the repair. But I want to choose manually because I have a PST file that is already corrupt that I want to repair here. So I'll click on choose manually. So it gives you these options: find for it to scan and browse. I'll go with browse because I know where I saved it. So I'll click on browse. So this will open the file explorer of your PC, which contains some files. Then I will click on desktop because I saved that file in desktop. And look at it here. So immediately you click on any folder, it will dictate an Outlook file there. Okay, look at it, Outlook data file. I'll click on this and click on open. So the next step is to hit the repair. It's going to repair the file. So give it time. Okay, you can see selected file has been repaired. So it's a click save repaired file button to save the repaired PST file. I'll click on OK. So now this file has been repaired. So once you click on this save repaired file, save a copy of this repaired file with a different name in your PC and upload it on your Outlook. Okay, it's as simple as that, and with this you are good to go. I believe this content helps. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on information technology. So subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section if you have questions concerning this, and I will answer you. This video here will walk you through on how to create PST file for Outlook. In case you don't know, check it out. Alright? Thank you. I'll see you some other time.